Can't see that far, okay. Gotta be careful though. RS. Don't see nothing over here. Ooh. I don't get in trouble. We do have policy about filming here, so I'm gonna be careful. Take a walk. There's music playing too. Hope I don't get a copyright. Walk really fast. Hello.
On your computer, there is a quick survey for you. If you go to the website, put in the code and let us know.
Stephen Blinken.
You get a 20% off coupon you can use on any item.
And more. Wow. Ooh. Look at this. That flashing.
Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
I'm just checking to make sure the smoke detectors are flashing.
Oh.
Just making sure they're working. That one's good. Can't wait back up. Sorry if it's far away. I missed something. Ooh, there's music everywhere. I don't like this. RRS. I'm trying not to go in all the stores. Oh boy. Am I missing anything? I don't know if I'm gonna go in the stores. This mall's closed and Oh, let's go back here. If I can go back here. Let me see. Back here. Where's the light? Hey, that's it. I'm gonna go wrap it up. Yeah, too, okay. Hello.
Hi there.
Have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Have a good day.